Make 820% passive crypto income on ZIL. Bitcoin, which we all know as the market leader, has its big fall in the past few months. However, the market condition remains erratic. I'm referring to a lack of trend. The market is a little aimless at the moment, and even with all that is going on, we all want more passive income. Firstly, I wanted to let you all know that I appreciate all of the wonderful comments you've been leaving in the comments section. Thank you. So we're returning for some fantastic return farming opportunities. In this video, we'll be looking at 3 passive income crypto coins under the ZIL, Wave, and ADA decentralized exchange. But before we go any further, please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. With that being said, let's get this party started right away. ZIL blocks on ZILSwap is the first farm. Zilliqa, the first passive crypto income option we'll look at today, is a piece of software that encourages a global distributed network of computers to operate a blockchain platform that uses sharding to improve user scalability. Zilliqa is one of the several progressing blockchains that is attempting to build a decentralized application and cryptocurrency ecosystem similar to Ethereum, Tron, and EOS. Zilliqa is gradually establishing itself as a major player in the metaverse. Talking about Zilliqa, we cannot but mention Metapolis. Metapolis serves as a cool metaverse-as-a-service platform for Zilliqa. Zilliqa is valued at $2.2 billion, making it the 63rd most valuable cryptocurrency project. On Zilliqa, we can access ZilliSwap. ZilliSwap is a full-on chain decentralized exchange that runs on Zilliqa. It's the largest DEX. However, it only has about $34 million in total value locked, and as a result of this, you should know that small isn't necessarily a bad thing. ZSwap is the native token of the ZilliSwap protocol. On the Zilliqa's platform or space, you'll be farming the native Zilliqa tokens, ZIL, and you'll be dealing with Blocks too. Blocks is a video game software development kit, SDK for developers. Developers can use Blocks to add blockchain-only features to their games, such as permitting NFT purchases and calculating gas fees. Shortly, I'll talk about why we enjoy ZIL and some of the farm prospects you need to know in this video. Firstly, staking is possible with ZIL Pay Wallet, Trust Wallet, or Ledger, and this works well. Atomic Wallet and Exodus are 2 stronger wallet solutions that can also be considered for staking. This is a standard 50-50 pool, so you'll be putting in the same amount of money for both tokens. Know that this pool has an annual percentage yield of 86.3%, and up to 33% swap and 67% blocks can be won. Now here's how you can boost your ZIL swap yield. I recommend that you do the following in this pool. Convert your swap to ZIL in the app. It's a simple procedure and should not give you any difficulty. On the block side, we still have some work to do. I recommend replacing blocks with Zeth. Zeth is Ethereum wrapped with Zilliqa. To find the Zeth ZIL pool, simply search in all pools or core pools. You'll be farming your prizes here. It will account for 2 by 3 of your overall benefits, and it will also account for all 33% of your swap and an equal 33% of your block's free transaction costs. Nonetheless, you should be aware that this pool now pays 42% and does so in swap, which we recommend you convert to more Zeth. You should exchange these rewards and your additional blocks for Zeth or more ZIL. Waves USDN on Waves Exchange is the second farm. Moving on, let's talk about Waves USDN. Wave is a blockchain that allows users to develop and launch unique cryptocurrencies. On Waves, you can create and trade crypto tokens without having to learn how to construct smart contracts. This is possible because tokens can be produced and maintained using Waves blockchain programs that run in user accounts. It is said to be the fastest decentralized Bitcoin trading exchange. Under Waves, we have Neutrino and its algorithmic stablecoins, which are also listed on the exchange. USDN is one of them. It mints and burns in unison with the Waves token to retain its peg like Luna and UST. So we have the native coin and the stablecoin in support of the Waves exchange. Currently, the farm pays 36%, although it's already down to 27.5%, which is still a great return. This farm is substantially larger than the previous. Its total value locked at 15.1 million WX. The Wave Exchange's native token is used to pay out rewards from this pool. For the sake of this tutorial, you'll have 3 alternatives for creating a Waves account. You can acquire a Waveskeeper wallet or a downloaded software wallet by email, but I'll suggest that you utilize the Waveskeeper wallet. It comes with a Chrome extension that you may install for further convenience. Know that the reward APY for this pool ranges from 10.5% to 31.6%. If you also stake the Wave Exchange token WX, you'll get an extra yield. And more importantly, know that WX is not the same token as the Waves token. Stake WX and you'll get a bonus. This depends on how long you've been betting on WX. If you're going to stake, I recommend doing so for a little more than a year for a variety of reasons. Here's how to increase your yield. I recommend selling your WX reward for USDN in this pool. With no risk of irreplaceable loss, you can single-side USDN on Waves for 12 to 15%. This is a low-risk way to increase your yield. In my opinion, in addition, your USDN is prepared to take advantage of any outstanding buying chance. USDC, USDT on MuesliSwap is the third farm. The last passive crypto income alternative I'll discuss in this video is MuesliSwap. MuesliSwap is another DEX platform that allows investors to exchange tokens in a decentralized manner. It's one of Cardano's leading DeFi ecosystems, and it seeks to expand this with a variety of new trading capabilities. This includes not only token trading, but also an NFT marketplace and a decentralized token launchpad. The Cardano MuesliSwap ecosystem is powered by the Milk utility token. There are two farming stablecoins for this. It's USDC and USDT in this scenario. Milkometa is an EVM-compatible Cardano chain, and it is this chain that this farm is on MuesliSwap. This pool has a total locked value of 9.5 million locked in, and you can use your MetaMask or Wallet Connect wallet. Because it's EVM-compatible, it doesn't require one of the Cardano native wallets like Yoroi to be using this protocol. These things are very volatile, as 128% yield can drop to 97% in a matter of hours. For this, I recommend that you use the seller's C-Bridge to easily transfer your tokens. Remember that you'll need some ADA for transaction costs. Guys, here are some tips on how the MuesliSwap yield increases. I recommend that you replace at least half of your incentives with ADA. Then put your ADA and the 50% of My Yield awards that you didn't switch into a new pool. The payout in My Yield is the reason for the high APY. The second step is to convert all of your My Yield into ADA and stake it, or more stablecoins, and wait for a buying chance. While the My Yield pool is more aggressive, any of the aforementioned alternatives can help you increase your yield. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it and subscribe to this channel. Also hit the notification bell to get notified when I release new videos on hot crypto investment topics. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys later.